Oh my God. I mean, what are we looking at? Triangle? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? That's one of the orbs on top. Oh my God, I'm so cold. It's so windy. I'm gonna get blown over here. Holy shit, guys. What is this triangle formation? Just chilling. You can see it's still in a triangle and it's not moving. I mean, obviously the two are moving. Like keeping that triangle. Just rotating it. It's two rotating around the orb, keeping a triangle formation. What the fuck are we seeing, friends? One's breaking off. Oh my God. That is an orb. That is going on over there. I was just standing up on that thing, looking out. What is that?
快看，这是 what？ 快看，这是 what？
Ships, and there's a fourth ship. Yes. One, two. Boom, boom, boom. There's going to be another ship showing up right here. Watch this. Whoop, whoop. These are all Arcturian ships, guys. Yes, they are. There's going to be another ship showing up. See this ship? Watch this right here. There's going to be another ship that shows up. And I am speaking to Christian. Christian is telling me there's going to be another ship showing up right here. Again, I'm giving you future information. I am speaking to my crew in their ships. Watch this Another ship is going to show up right here. Watch this. There's no way I could know this unless I'm speaking to Christian. Watch this, guys. Yep, I'm telling everyone. Well, Christian, I'm about to bicycle to South Beach, and that's what I'm doing. So, yep. There's the other ship that just showed up. It's got red in it and all the colors. Watch this. Blues, yellows, greens, blues, purples. Watch this. Every color in the rainbow, guys. Yellows, blues, purples, reds. Watch this. Another ship is showing up. Watch this. There we go. And another ship is going to show up right after this. Watch this. Some of the white triangles and some of the colors, yes. All arcturian, guys. Some of them are arcturian and some of them are other species, and they're white triangle ships, guys. Yes, they are. Love you guys. Yes, I do. So, everyone here sees that I am speaking to my crew, and I've proven it in real time. All right, guys, love you, over and out. A whole fleet of ships are coming in, guys. Watch this. A whole fleet of ships is going to follow behind this one ship, guys. Watch this. I'm giving you future events that are about to take place. See this one ship? Watch how many ships follow this one ship. I'm giving you future events before they happen. Do you see that one ship? watch how many ships show up behind this one ship. A whole fleet, guys. Watch this. Yes, Christian, I'm talking to Christian, and Christian is telling me that there's going to be a whole fleet of ships coming in behind this one ship. Watch this. Yes, Christian. I'm ready, buddy. There's going to be more ships showing up. Watch this. So I am talking to Christian. He is in a ship above my head. He is giving me real-time information, and I'm sitting here telling you what Christian is telling me, which is there are going to be other ships showing up. Yes, there are. So here's one in plain sight. This is your Arcturian family. Yes, it is. And they're going to be white triangle ships and other Arcturian ships. Yes, there are. There's another one. Here they come, guys. There's the second one. Here comes the third one. A third one's about to show up, and then another, guys. Watch this. Yes, Christian. So I'm talking to Christian, my guide. He's giving me real-time information, and I am relaying it to you to show you that I am speaking to my crew in real time. I am not from your planet. I am not from your construct. I am an emissary volunteer for a planetary ascension, and I am giving you real-time information on my crew. There's a third ship about to show up. Watch this. There's going to be a third ship showing up. Watch this. There's the third ship, guys. Yes, yes. So all I'm doing is relaying the information that my coworkers are giving me. And my coworkers are telling me what's up, and I'm simply relaying the information to you to show you that I am speaking to my crew in real time. Otherwise, I could not predict these future events that are taking place. It would be illogically impossible. Yes, I see you. And there's going to be a fourth one showing up. Yes, Christian, hold on. So Christian says there's a fourth one showing up. So there's 1, 2, 3, and there's going to be another one showing up right there. Watch this. There's going to be another one showing up right there. Watch this. There's going to be a ship showing up right here. Watch this. So the humans...